Okay, so I'm assuming that this is clear, and now let's see to pass parameter in the cursor. So I'm going to define first cursor for batsman table. Cursor C batsman is select star from batsman, and second cursor is cursor C rating, and here we are going to pass the parameter. Okay, now this parameter which we are going to pass is the batsman ID from C batsman. Okay, so what will be the data type of this parameter? It will be exactly same as batsman ID of batsman table. So I'm defining this variable name as BID. Its data type is similar to batsman tables batsman ID. So we can define batsman dot batsman underscore ID percentage. What should be written here? Percentage. Yes, anyone? When we are defining the data type, which cursor attribute we are supposed to use?
And percentage type.
Thank God. At least one student is listening. Yeah, so it should be batsman dot batsman underscore ID percentage type because we are defining the data type. Okay. So we have passed this parameter in cursor. Okay, C rating is the cursor in which we have passed parameter which is similar to the batsman ID of batsman table. Fine. So this is, I think, clear because we know how to pass parameter in procedure and function. Okay, this is similar. Now in select query, we'll select all the fields from rating table. So I am writing select star from select star from rating, where batsman ID is equal to BID. Okay, because that BID variable we have passed from the outermost cursor. Okay, so it should match with this BID. Fine. So it will select all the records from rating table where batsman ID of rating will match with BID, and this BID we are going to pass from this cursor, so that we are going to write in the body part. Okay, so this is how we have defined our cursors. Now we need two record variables for each of these cursors, so I'm writing R underscore batsman, which is of type C batsman percentage row type, and R rating is C rating percentage row type. Now using for loop only, I'm writing this program so that it is easy to understand. So first of all, we'll have to fetch records from C batsman. So first for loop would fetch records from C batsman, and for that we have to write for R batsman in C batsman loop, and we need to end this loop also, so I'm writing end loop. And this is end of rating cursor loop. Okay, now first one is fetching records from batsmen. So when the record is fetched from the batsman table, we'll have batsman ID, batsman name and his country, so that we can display here before we fetch records from the rating table. So I'll display this dbms underscore output dot put line r underscore batsman dot name and r underscore batsman dot country. Okay, because this will be displayed in the outermost loop. Then we are going to open this cursor C rating, for which parameter for the batsman ID which is passed from C batsman. So here the parameter which we need to pass in R rating is R underscore batsman dot batsman ID. This parameter we are going to pass. So now the cursor for loop will fetch only 2 records, and those records would be of batsman ID 1, because first record which is fetched in batsman cursor is of batsman ID 1. So now this will be fetched and we'll have all the records of that particular batsman, and then we can display rating and rating in for this. Okay, so I'm going to display 2 fields, rating underscore in and ratings. Fine. And then we are going to end this loop. So this is the end of rating cursor and this is end of batsman cursor, and that's it. We are done. Okay, now let us execute this. Line number 9. What's the problem? Okay, some bracket must be missing, or there must be some extra bracket. For R in C batsman loop, for R rating, R underscore ID. Encountered the symbol in when expecting one of the following. Please check the spellings. Is there any spelling mistake in this code? For R BATS. Okay. Okay, so we need to pass parameter in cursor and not in record variable. So that was the mistake. And let us execute this. So the name of course this procedure is rating 1.
So ma'am, we didn't pass the loop in the parameter in the for loop. That was a mistake. Right? I was getting.
Yeah, we have passed parameter here with record variable, but we don't have to pass parameter with record variable. It should be passed with the cursor variable. This is the cursor variable, right? So
Okay.
see, here we have written that parameter with cursor because parameter is passed in the cursor, and then on the basis of that value, it will fetch the records. Okay. So what we are writing, after fetching record, we were passing parameter in record variable. That is not done. Okay. So this is the right way of passing the parameter.
Okay.
Fine. So now as you can see, it is displaying this report where it is displaying batsman name and country only once, and then 2 records of his ratings here. Again, second batsman and ratings record, third batsman rating, fine. So this is how we can execute this procedure using cursor parameter, passing parameter in the cursor. So this is the example of passing a parameter in the